In this video, I'll show you top 2 real cool effects. Create an adjustment layer. Trim it and add the tint effect, then invert the colors. Next, add the curves effect and adjust it according to my settings. After that, apply deep glow with the same settings as mine. As a result, you'll get a glitch effect. Create an adjustment layer and trim it. Add the noise alpha effect and set it to the same settings as mine. Then apply the S_vignette effect and adjust it like I did. As a result, you'll get a cool effect.